Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be giving you guys a full guide tutorial on how to make a good exe. First of all, I use an app called Kinemaster Premium. If you cannot afford that, you can just use the link in the description. Here are some good exe songs which you can use in your videos. Number 1, the shake effect. Just follow the arrows. So first we need to click on the video, then click on the 3 dots, then duplicate it as layer, then adjust it, zoom it on the main brawler or the player, then click on the key button and then zoom out so it's easier. Now just follow me and try to understand. Move the screen and then move forward. You need to do it in a zigzag way, in a zigzag pattern, and just keep doing that until you think you have got the shake effect. Here's what the result should look like. You can even add anime zoom lines to make it even more better. Number 2, sound effects. So I have a server, and if you scroll down, there is a chat called sound effects exe. If you click on that, these are all the sound effects I use in my videos, so you can get your exe sound effects from here. Number 3, I don't know what to call it, but I'm going to teach you how to make things follow brawler. This is the example. Once again, please just follow the arrows to do it perfectly. Then zoom in where you want the main focus to be. Now for example, I want this question mark gadget icon to follow Penny's attack, so this is how you're going to do it. Zoom out and follow, and please try to understand. You can even slow down the video if you want to, if you are not understanding. Number 4, zoom. Please follow the arrows, click on the grid effect. Now on the end position, you need to zoom in with both your fingers and then see the results, and this is how you do the zoom effect. It's not that hard. Number 4, voice quality. For example, if I say something and it's not loud enough, I just do this. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back. So these were all my tips on how to make a good exe. All the stuff is in the description. Make sure to check it out, and if you have any doubts, DM me on Discord and I'll answer your questions. Thank you, bye.